Hi guys, welcome to today's Excel tip on sorting data. Here we have a table set up, and first of all we would like to sort the data by rank. So what we do is we click anywhere within the table structure, anywhere. Then we go up to the data tab and the sort option. And it selects the table in question, but then you realize that the headers of the table have also been selected. So we might have to click on this checkbox to let the system know that my data does have headers. Then we can select the field we want to sort by, and in this case rank. We want to sort by the values from smallest to largest. And the data now becomes sorted with China first all the way to Nigeria based on the ranking. Now we might also want to sort using two fields. An example being we might want to sort based on the medium age and then by the area in square kilometers. So once again, we click anywhere in the table structure block, the data tab, we go to sort, and my data has headers is already checked because it was checked the last time we used it. So our first sort order is going to be at medium age, and then we can add another level because we also want to sort by area right after the medium age, and that's also from smallest to largest. And now we click OK, and now the data has been sorted by medium age and then proceeded by area in kilometers. This is how to use multiple columns to sort your data. Thank you.